So I'm going to go over some basic similarities and differences between prokaryotes and eukaryotes. The first being the size. So a prokaryote is around about 0.2 to 2 micrometers, whereas a eukaryote is 10 to 100 micrometers. Prokaryotes do not have a nucleus with a membrane, whereas eukaryotes do have a nucleus. This is also seen with the organelles. So prokaryotes don't have membrane-bound organelles, while eukaryotes do. Prokaryotes have simple flagella which move via a circular motion, while eukaryotes have more complex ones that move in a wave-like motion. Prokaryotes can have a cell wall, for example being made out of peptidoglycan, while not many eukaryotes do have a cell wall. Prokaryotes can have a simple plasma membrane, while eukaryotes have more complex ones with more carbohydrates and lipids embedded inside. Both have a cytoskeleton, apart from eukaryotes have a more complex cytoskeleton and can have cytoplasmic streaming to direct the cytoplasm around the cell. Both also have ribosomes, apart from prokaryotes have 70S ribosomes, while eukaryotes have 80S ribosomes with 70S ribosomes within organelles such as mitochondria. Prokaryotes have circular chromosomes in DNA, while eukaryotes have linear ones. And finally, they both have two different forms of cell division, so prokaryotes use binary fission, while eukaryotes use mitosis.